Okay, so we talked about percents earlier in the year, and here we are now talking about ratios. Did you know that a percent is a ratio? Percents are ratios. Yes. Remember, my definition of percent was for each 100. Percent means the PER meant for each, and cent 100. Kind of like cent in century, cent in 100 cents at a dollar, for each 100. So if it's for each 100, let's say you've got 38% of the cats in your backyard are gray. That means if there's 100 cats in your backyard, 38 of that 100 are gray. 38 out of 100. There you go. It's a ratio. We could write it also as 38 per 100. Now, what if you don't have 100 cats in your backyard? Maybe you have 300 cats in your backyard. Oh boy. So, if you've got 300 cats in your backyard at a rate of 38%, how do we figure out how many cats that is? Here we go. 38 out of 100 is going to equal however many cats you have out of 300. Okay, how do we solve that? That's cool. We got this under control. That mystery number right there, we can find that by cross-multiplying and then dividing by the other number. So 38 times 3, 11,400. Now we divide by 100. That's 114 gray cats. If you've got 114 gray cats in your backyard, that might be a problem, especially if you've got a total of 300 cats in your backyard. So, I don't know, is this like the Crazy Cat Lady starter pack? But what if instead of having that many cats in your backyard, what if it works out that you have 38% of the cats in your backyard are gray, but your total number of gray cats is a lot smaller than that. Let's say your total number of gray cats is somewhere around 12. We're still going to use 38 out of 100, 38% for each 100. This time we've got 12 on top and our mystery number downstairs. Now, why do we need to be sure and do that? Well, we need the parts to compare across from each other and the whole thing across from each other. So you're going to need the big number on bottom and the little number on top on both sides. Cross multiply 12 times 100. Then divide by our remaining number. The question is, how many times does 38 go into 1200? Okay, I stopped there, but if I kept going, we'd still find that your total number of cats, if 12 are gray out of 38%, the total number of cats is going to be somewhere between 31 and 32. A little bit more than 32 cats. I don't know if we've got like some partial cat thing going on here, or if it was just a statistical anomaly, and maybe you counted a cat that is part gray and part something else. Whatever the case is, you can use percents to find problem answers a lot like this.